Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Leap India Limited. Utilizing our share and reuse business model, referred to as pooling, we are the largest on-demand asset pooling provider in India's supply chain management sector, based on the number of pooled assets. According to the F&S report, the F&S report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution directly or indirectly in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Leap India Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus, dated August 29, 2025. Leap India Limited IPO comprises a fresh issue of up to equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, equity shares aggregating up to 4,000.00 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, aggregating up to 20,000.00 million, the offer for sale. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder and the promoter group selling shareholder in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. The offer also includes employee reservation portion for eligible employees. Leap India Limited was incorporated July 3, 2013. With its registered and corporate office at Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We are the largest on-demand asset pooling provider in India's supply chain management sector, based on the number of pooled assets, according to the F&S report, with 13.57 million assets on offer. Our network spans 7,747 customer touchpoints and 30 fulfillment centers, which are centers to facilitate the storage, maintenance, repair, and rapid deployment of our assets to our customers. As of May 31, 2025, this circular business model supports our customers while reducing environmental impact and enhancing the time and cost efficiency and safety of supply chains for our customers across India. According to the F&S report, pallets are a critical element of modern supply chains, enabling companies to operate more efficiently, reduce costs, and deliver products reliably and safely. Pallet pooling reduces the burden of procurement, maintenance, tracking, warehousing space requirements, manpower, and time, while ensuring consistent quality and availability across operations, according to the F&S report. As of March 31, 2025, we had more than 900 customers. Through our large asset base and pan-India network, we are able to serve a diverse customer base spanning sectors such as fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, food and beverage, F&B, third-party logistics, 3PL, e-commerce and quick commerce, automotive, industrials and others. Set out below are details of certain of our key customers. We consolidated our position in the asset pooling industry by acquiring CHEP India in January 2025. With the addition of CHEP India's established asset pooling network with our own, we have expanded our network reach across various industries, enhanced our ability to serve a broader customer base, and increased our product portfolio, in particular in relation to our container business. We leverage technology to deliver our solutions to our customers. Our in-house developed MyLeap platform provides customers with an interface which highlights order information for tracking and management, details of recent orders, options for swapping damaged assets, reports, as well as offering options for help and support. We have integrated SAP S/4HANA and Salesforce Management into our systems, enabling electronic data interchange with customers. For tracking capabilities, we utilize passive RFID technology, allowing for monitoring of containers throughout the supply chain. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. We typically enter into long-term, recurring contracts with customers, and if our customers do not renew their agreements with us or expand the scope of services we provide to them, our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows could be adversely impacted. In particular, if our relationships with our top customers are impaired or terminated, our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows could be adversely impacted. 2. We are reliant on our technology infrastructure in our business operations, and any disruption or failure of our technology infrastructure could materially affect our growth prospects, reputation, business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. 3. Pooling asset loss and inadequate controls and processes on the pooling equipment may result in additional expenses and could negatively affect our financial performance. 4. We are exposed to counterparty credit risk. Our inability to collect receivables on time or at all and defaults in payment from our customers could reduce our profits and affect our cash flows. 5. Failure to set and/or meet quality standards in relation to our assets may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. The promoters of our company, namely Sunu Matthew and Vertical Holdings 2 Pte Limited, hold an aggregate of 113,717,240 equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each and 93,129,624 preference shares of our company, convertible into a maximum of 277,675,832 equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each. As on the date of the draft red herring prospectus, the aggregate shareholding of our promoters is 391,393,072 equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, which constitutes 95.28% of the pre-offer, issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company on a fully diluted basis. As on the date of the draft red herring prospectus, our board has 6 directors, comprising 1 executive director, 5 non-executive directors, including 3 independent directors. Our company has 1 woman independent director. Our company's total income for fiscal 2025 pro forma, 2025 consolidated, 2024, and 2023 was 6,858.91 million rupees, 4,850.31 million rupees, 3,719.44 million rupees, and 2,581.65 million rupees, respectively. The EBITDA margin percent for fiscal 2025 pro forma, 2025 consolidated, 2024 and 2023 was 47.35%, 56.45%, 56.44% and 48.92% respectively. The cash PAT margin percent for fiscal 2025 pro forma, 2025 consolidated, 2024 and 2023 was 34.52%, 39.44%, 40.27% and 32.17% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including page 263, for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, directors, promoters, subsidiary, key managerial personnel, and members of the senior management. As on date of the draft red herring prospectus, there are no outstanding litigations involving the group company which may have a material impact on our company. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 379 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects. The IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. JM Financial Limited, Avendus Capital Private Limited, IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, and UBS Securities India Private Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated August 29, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.